Hi friends, welcome to Model Ideas. This is Rajendra Bonda. I have created this YouTube channel to give you complete details regarding to government jobs and different universities and its courses. Okay then, friends, today I am going to explain in this video is Hyderabad Central University's MA Economics model paper. This is the previous old paper. Okay, and keep watching my video until complete of this, and I will give you key at the ending of this video. And this is the most important thing, that economics, this subject has that large impact overall the world. Then who wish to go for this economics in MA in Hyderabad Central University, then you have time 2 hours, means 120 minutes and 100 questions. These questions consist of that multiple choice. Then your question paper divided into 2 parts. Part A 25 question, 25 marks, and part B 75 marks. Okay, then let me see. And first of all, you have to read all these instructions, and you need to write exam on the OMR sheet and something else under the OMR sheet like this here. Then part A and part B. And another thing is that there is a negative marking. Then each wrong answer will get 33% minus from your overall marks. Okay, and don't use pencil in the OMR sheet, then you can use ballpoint pen. Next, part A, question number 1. See, in microeconomics, the market is conceived primarily as an institution for, then which one is correct answer, then you need to select it. Okay, then real gross domestic product GDP of an economy is best defined as, then which one is correct, just you can see your options. And as I scrolling it, then it is better to take a notebook with you, and you can write question numbers. Then while I read, and you can read it as well as and try to understand its answers, because this is very important thing. You can test yourself, because this is that completely 2019 paper. Then you can think how many marks will you get it. Okay, a risk loving or risk seeking consumer. Okay, next, the trade triangle of a country shows, what does it shows. Okay, now question number 6, there are 4 options are there here. Okay, next, 7th question, just you can see option 1, 2, 3, 4, then which one is correct answer. Next, question number 8, compared to other universities in the states, and Hyderabad Central University's exam test is somewhat different, and it's only in English medium, not in any other mediums. Question number 10th, which of the following is the alternative name of expanded utility function? What is that? How do we call it? Okay, assumptions of non-satiation property. Okay, question number 12. Right, come to that question number 13. Which of the following is true when two indifferent curves interact each other? What will happen at that time? Okay, next, which one of the following relevant? Question number 14. Next, classification of inputs of production into fixed inputs or variable inputs. Right. Question number 16, just you can read it. Option 1, 2, 3, 4, then you can find it which one is correct. Then 17th question, 18th question. Till now I have uploaded physics, chemistry, mathematics, political science, history. Okay, all of these model papers in our channel, Model Ideas YouTube channel, a better channel for students who want to get different seats. And even I uploaded syllabus in my channel, which you can read it. Question number 22. Now read this box and these questions based on the box. Question number 23, 24. Then the last question from the section A is the 25th. Yeah, we completed section A. Next, section B. Question number 26. Which of the following is not a part? 27. Question number 28. Okay, now question number 29. Perfect competition, imperfect competition. 30. Now 31. Then 32. 33. 34th question, speculative demand. for money. Next, Keynesian theory. This is a question from the Keynesian theory. Next, 36. Just you have to see all these things. 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Next question number 46, 47, question number 48, question number 49, 50, 51, 52, question number 53. Now there is an item box that you have to read it. 54th question, 55th question, data interpretation, this type of questions. 56th, 57, 58th question. Just you have to read all these things and see, my dears, 100 questions and 120 minutes. So you need to read this question and 4 options within the 20 seconds, and you can think for correct answer for the next 20 seconds, and the last 10 seconds you need to complete your bubbling. So finally you need to complete your questioning and answering within that 50 to 55 seconds. Otherwise it is very difficult. 64th question, to get a seat in Hyderabad Central University, such a prestigious university, and even the competition is from all entire India, and like cream students, they want to wish to get seat in Hyderabad Central University. So with sound knowledge in the field of economy from their degree, and they apply from that reputed schools and colleges. Okay, 69th question, 70th question, the Fisher effect in economics is okay. 70th question, 72 question, 73. Now question number 74, 75, 76, 77, question number 78, 79, then again 80, 82 questions. Just you have to observe this diagram, okay, x and y axis, and then after question number 80 based on it, 81 true based on it, next 83. Yeah, come to that 84th question. In the economics, most questions related to current affairs, so that who are preparing for this economics entrance test, it is better to read any magazines like Hindu magazine, economic paper for current affairs and current questions. So you need to take different books. 88, 89, 90, now 91, 92, 93, so you need to understand these 4 options: 95, 96, 97, 98th question, 99th question, Okay. This question from that Nobel Award for Economics. 10th question. Which is not included in Human Development Index HDI calculation. So friends, this is all about your question paper, and be ready for key paper. See, University of Hyderabad entrance examination 2019. This is old paper, okay, not model paper. And see, first you need to focus on that question number 1 to 25, okay, 1D, 2C like this here. So I think by opening it, you have completed your answers. Now you can check your answers. How many marks will you get from it? And see, 1 to 15, have a single look and just you can pass. And 15 to 25. Next 26 to 40. Yeah, just you can see everything else. 40. Next 40 to 50. Next 51 to 65. See all these things. Now 65 to 75. For 17th question, A, B, C, D all are right. Next 76th. Yeah, you can see 76 to 90 question. Focus on every question. Seeds key. Next 90 to 100. So just you can pause it and you will get every answer. So friends, I have given complete information regarding to that Hyderabad Central University in my economics paper, and already I have uploaded different question papers, almost all question papers of Hyderabad Central University 2019 papers, and you can search for them. And if you like my video, then you can share it, and you can subscribe my channel if you are the first viewer, and please help me and support me in giving your valuable feedback. Okay, thank you.